The enemy is watching the road. That's where they expect the fight to happen. Red believes they understand Blue's plan. Comfort is dangerous. The enemy holds a crossroads. Your orders are to seize this crucial junction. By showing strength on the obvious approach, you reinforce the enemy's expectations. Surprise often starts with misdirection, not concealment. You commit your force to keep their attention on you. Artillery suppressing tactical targets and opportunity. Meanwhile, lighter forces move along the ground the enemy isn't watching. Surprise is about where the enemy isn't focused. If the enemy commits forward, they won't have time to reposition when the attack comes from somewhere else. When the strike comes, it doesn't meet prepared defenses. It meets confusion. Surprise collapses reaction time. Units turn, orders conflict, and gaps appear. Even disciplined troops struggle to respond in time. Surprise damages coordination more than morale. Surprise doesn't replace strength. It multiplies the effect of whatever strength you bring. During the American Revolution, Washington crossed the Delaware. The British expected the force to camp on the opposing side of the river, but he decided to cross that river during the winter on Christmas. Surprise came from timing and direction, not overwhelming numbers. Surprise creates chaos for both sides, and when plans collide with reality, only simple orders survive. That brings us to our final principle, simplicity. This has been Keith's Orders of Battle, Principles of War.